This is the...
Maybe he's too tired.
I think...
Oh, no. We're missing 3 triangles, 3 pentagons. 1, 2, 3, they're pentagons.
It's simple geometry.
Feeling cat.
Whoa.
Let's go. Cat.
And this is our space pilot, this bird. Polka dots up.
All sorts of places.
All sorts of places.
Find the shape we need to fix a favorite little rocket ship. 1, 2, 3 triangles, that's what we need. A shape with 1, 2, 3. Speaking and listening differently. We need to know.
Simon, it says here, cat, duck.
We're so excited.
Astronauts.
A mere 238,855 miles away from where I stand right now. A cat has never walked on the moon. To the moon!
You say you're going on a moon adventure, hmm? Well, be ready because the moon is very different than here on Earth. The moon is like a vast, empty desert without any water to drink. Whoa, that sure is dry. And you better bring air to breathe, because there's no air on the moon. There's less gravity on the moon than on Earth. On the moon, you would weigh about 1/5 of what you weigh on Earth. Less gravity pull means more bouncing when walking on the moon. How about that? How about that?
See?
And we're landing.
I'm on the moon! I'm a cat on the moon!
Real animals. To keep all of our animal friends...
You are? You did move. So I guess stars do move around, right?
It may look like the stars have moved, but no! It's not the stars that are moving. It's the Earth that's moving.
It's hard to believe, but
The stars! Yes, stars I'm talking about spin around. And at the same time, I, the Earth, slowly travel around the sun.
it's hard to believe, but
So, the creatures on Earth get to see different parts of the sky.
Oh, so it only looks like the stars and constellations move.
Right. Our sauropod constellation looks like it moved to a different place in the sky from earlier tonight.
But the Earth was the thing that moved.
it's hard to believe, but
Learn another new thing today.
But what are those?
Hi there, I'm Dr. Scott the paleontologist, and this is Cynovinator. It's hard to believe, but there's actually billions of stars out there in the universe. It's hard to believe, but star is called the North Star. Find plenty of cool constellations. Okay, keep watching for more dinosaur discoveries. It's hard to believe, but
Rocks and dust.
I see a star!
it's hard to believe, but
State our problem. At school, our teacher showed us a comet flying off into outer space.
it's hard to believe, but
Yep.
Yeah.
Go.
Let's read the title of this book. Galileo's Space Adventure.
it's hard to believe, but
And then we'll get our super story answer.
Alphabet with alphabet power.
it's hard to believe, but
Princess Presto with spelling power.
it's hard to believe, but
Because there's no gravity in outer space. And gravity is what helps us stick to the ground.
it's hard to believe, but
Galileo was an astronaut who lived in outer space.
I'm Galileo, and this is my space kitty, Houston.
it's hard to believe, but
How can I rescue Houston if I don't know where...
it's hard to believe, but
I'm
it's hard to believe, but
Super Duper Computer. Give us our super story answer. Read the letters with me. O, R, B, I, T.
it's hard to believe, but
Tell me what you know about outer space.
We can show you. I'm the Earth.
it's hard to believe, but it's hard to believe, but
K-E-T.
it's hard to believe, but
Well, okay. How much trouble could 3 little piggies be?
It's hard to believe, but
No!
Bye, Uncle Froggy. We're on our way.
it's hard to believe, but
Cars, vaccines for your arms, kids sounding like supercharged, caffeinated hate-filled scars. Brother, heaven could never be late, and rockets don't work in space. It's all fake, the show is on Mars, it's a joke, but you're too far gone, it won't be long. Fepe's beak is strong. We have our song and we march along like streams of knowledge leading to God's holy pond, and lives of truth that hits the bong and sings the song, turns mankind from the wrong. We come in peace with a holy gown, and all of us wearing our holy crowns. Said the earth is flat and we probably just won't get along. Just to go along, I said.